Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss the battery equivalent of the AG6 watch battery. So this one right here, you can find it online under different names. For example, the 371 or the SR920. They are going to be the exact same watch battery as you can see right here, so the exact same size. I'm going to insert a picture since you can find it under different names as well. For example, CX921 or SR69 L921. So a bunch of different names to the exact same watch battery type. As you can see here guys on the table, I have various watch battery types. I'm going to make different videos with each type and their equivalents, so their battery equivalents, so that you can easily find them online. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below to this exact watch battery type and to the most common watch batteries out there, so make sure to check them out. And if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, like the video in case you found value, and I'm going to see you on the next video.